Hello, this is Poonam Shukla, UI14C028, and this is my ninth WebTech lab experiment. And here I have to use, it is the same experiment as 8. I have to log out, login, and registration form. Web page should be there, but here I have to use Ajax. So what basically Ajax is? Ajax is asynchronous JavaScript, and uh, s- uh, so here what Ajax does it. Ajax make it more dynamic, and here you don't have to, if you want to reload something, you just have to reload with the help of Ajax. You can reload only that part of the web page and automatically. So here Ajax we are using, and now I'm going to show you my code, and then I will explain you what it does. And so this is, here you can see, this is my login page. This is my login page, and here this is my registration page. And here, so what's happening over here, if I this is if I'm registering something, so what it does is my browser will send a HTTP request, and with HTTP it will make a HTTP request and process it, and it send it to a server. So by using this syntax, variable HTTP XML HTTP equal to new HTTP request, and there it will send this object to in a server. And by using this XML HTTP dot open dot send, by using this, it will the response will be sent by server to a browser. And so in this we have a get your, this is what type of method you want. This is URL, so where you, after that, where you want to send your page. And this is a synchronous method or asynchronous method, so that's why it's a boolean true or false. And this is, here I'm using get. So this is how I if I'm using get, so I have to use this check, means URL name, and what data you are sending. So data variable name string. So after that, and I'm sending it, and now I have to check my ready on status. So this is my ready on status, and how the response will come, and this is how the response will come. And this is if ready state, and ready states we are using for if it's status is ready and ready to transfer send it. That's why using ready state and ready this status. And this is how, here I have used a simple syntax, sorry, HTML, and for me creating a form. So my action server side scripting is happening. On submitting, it's checking check pass function is there. So what it does, it's happening over here. What's happened in function check pass is it's checking the password. I'm storing in a variable, and if both password are same after submitting it, so it's saying it's just signing up. If it's not right, it's not matching, it will say password is not matched. And for this is the thing, if the URL, okay, if my username it's already present in my database, so what it will do, it will check user. This is a function name, check user, this value, I'm passing this value, the username. And if it's already database, then it will show username is already exist. If I click tab and move to next text field, so it will show username is already exist with the name of that user. So, and the email address and password, then it will sign up. And now I'm gonna show you, and after, means according to that, I'll explain my code to you. Okay, this is my sign up page. So here, if I'm signing, okay, so my Julia Pink name is already present. And if I'm moving to next tab, so see, it's coming here like that. Username already exists in Julia Pink. So I can't, it's already telling me that you just have to log in. So if I want to log in, I'll here, this is my link. If I click here, I'll move on to this part, and you log in, and here I can directly log in. So Julia Pink is already present, so I just have to uh, yeah, just have to type it and log in. So it's showing successfully login Julia Pink. If you want to change password, you can click here, and you can just log out. And if you want to sign up, it's also sign up. I want to sign up with name को J. See, it's saying username is not present. So for that, I have to sign up and register for it. Then it will add it to my database. So after adding it, when I'll add it, so it will show in my database here. These all name I have already added it, signed up, and so after that, these all my href value where I showed it to you how I move to login page, and this is my server side script. So how it's taking by get I used get. So by get method, it's taking everything and username, password, and so then it's inserting, and SHA I'm using for encrypting it. And then if it's not true, then MySQL error 2 will come, or if it's everything is true, then welcome username, and it will ask me to move if you want to move to login page to see if you already means you are registered or not. And this is my login page here. So login page, simple login, I have used HTML and all. And then for href, if you want to sign up, so I have given the registration form here. And this is for validating my login, if I've used successfully logged or not. So I have used session over here like that. So session start, and if my Mm, if it, it's welcoming here with the name of my username and session key, so that because we are transferring one page to another page, so that's why I have used super variable name session. And so I'm gonna show you how it's signing up. Sorry, registration. I'll show you. So not exist. So I want to give this person um, email, which anything, password I've given. It's not present, so that's why register. So that's how it's coming. Welcome JName. I've already showed you my code how it's saying welcome JName. And if you want to log out, you can just log out and it will move on to register a login page. And yeah, and this part here, it's selecting everything input and showing the if I'm clicking tab in my registration page, if I'm clicking tab, and if I'm already present in database, then it will show username already exists. If I'm not present, then it will show exist, not exist. And this is for checking my password. And if it's like if I want to update my password, so if I'm logging in, so if I'm logging, then this is option I'm getting. I'll show you how it's working. So yeah, if Julia Ping wants to, okay, what was Julia? So login. If I want to change my password, so I just have to click here and change it to. Yeah, okay. Means I have already means my password is changed now. So I'll show you in my so here now it's showing for Julia Pink it's B43. So now I'll reload it. Done. So see, and now it's coming EA to BA. Something means I have already changed. So it encrypted, but it's updated now. So this was my 9th WebTech lab experiment using Ajax thing.